SQ was born in 1993 from a simple yet powerful dream to realize the immense potential of Bangladesh on a global scale. Unlike others, SQ moved its headquarters to a more advanced nation, Singapore, in 2013 under Q Collection Private Limited. We are now one of the leading apparel manufacturers in Bangladesh, exporting around $300 million worth of garments annually. We operate across three main business units: Celsius, producing knitwear; Burkina, producing lingerie and activewear; and Hues, a vertical integration that supports our core businesses through yarn dyeing and fabric manufacturing. Driven by a love of fashion, our business thrives from creativity and innovation. Adopting the latest technologies from 3D knitwear to seamless activewear, we ensure quality down to the smallest detail, from design through to the finished product. Our garments are made in Bangladesh using the finest yarns and fabrics to cater to and create the very best. Our business is well settled and highly sought after within the fashion industry. As a key supplier to 6 out of the top 10 global retailers, we pride ourselves on having a round-the-world customer base. Q is an equal opportunity employer, with women making up 52% of our team, from the factory floor to the boardroom. Through our Women in Leadership program, we actively encourage and empower women to take up more decision-making roles within the organization. Core values and purpose are essential for a good business. We believe our people are our greatest asset and invest heavily in their well-being and security. For us, a business that only makes money is a poor business. We are the first employer in the Bangladesh apparel industry to use Wagely, a personal finance platform that provides our workforce with early access to their earned wages. Q also believes in giving every member of our team an equal voice. Kinship is a mobile app that houses every aspect of people development, from the administrative to the personal, from enabling training and collaboration to enforcing workers' rights and grievance handling. Our engaged workforce are not only motivated and easier to retain, they are more productive too. Our knowledge of products and manufacturing, coupled with our passion for making luxury affordable to many, enabled Q's natural progression into retail led by Robot. Helmed by the next generation of the Farooq family, extensive experience and wide network allows us to have our finger on the pulse of evolving trends and demands of the new generation of the apparel industry. The outcome is the birth of Q Micro, a cloud-enabled network of automated knitting factories that enables a fully digital design-to-delivery process in real time. Powered by artificial intelligence and the latest IoT services, Q Micro aims to be the future of sustainable apparel manufacturing on a global scale. Sustainability is fundamentally rooted in every decision we make, from basic business operations to our long-term objectives. Our manufacturing facilities are all LEED certified green establishments. But we want to go beyond that in our efforts towards environmental sustainability. While industrialization is the key to growth, we want to showcase that nature and industrial operations can coexist in harmony. We have undertaken Restoration Shauban, a reforestation project that aims to convert our existing properties into a private forest. Once dominated by the thick Shau forests, the landscape was lost to deforestation and unplanned urbanization. Through Restoration Xiaoban, we want to give back our due to nature by creating a low-carbon future. At Q, we want to be ahead of the time. Here, obstacles lead to opportunities. Difficult questions make us more ambitious and work harder. These are our guiding principles and they are our future. A good business is actually good for business.